Hi, great to see you again. In this video, you'll learn how to edit lease transactions, set up late and management fees, and add recurring charges. This is a second video on the lease editing flow. You can find part 1 about lease terms and tenant information on our YouTube channel. First, go to Contacts. Open the tenant's profile, and then switch to the Leases tab. Click on the lease you want to update. Scroll down slightly and open the Lease Transactions tab. Here, click Edit Recurring Rent to update the main rent invoice. In this section, you can easily update the frequency, due date, or rent amount. Once ready, click Update to save the changes. Want to plan a rent increase or decrease? Just click Schedule Amount Update. Enter the new amount and the start date, then click Confirm. It's that easy. Need to add another recurring charge, like utilities or pet rent? Click Add Recurring Transaction. Select a category. Choose the first invoice date. Set the frequency and amount. Then click Add. To edit an existing recurring transaction, click the 3 dots next to it and choose Edit. Here, you can adjust the due date and the amount. Now let's look at extra fees. Here you can set up or modify late fees. If you haven't added late fees yet, click Add Late Fees. Choose the fee type, one-time, daily, or both. Then select whether it's a fixed amount or a percentage of outstanding or recurring charges. Don't forget to set a grace period and define when the fees should be posted. To edit existing late fees, just click the Edit Late Fees button and update the details as needed. You can also manage management fees in this section. To add a management fee, click Add Management Fees. Select whether it should be a flat amount or a percentage of rent. Click Add to save. To edit an existing management fee, just click the Edit Management Fees button, make your changes, and press Update. And that's it! Managing lease transactions in TenantCloud is simple and flexible. You can now check out the third part where we'll learn how to edit attachments and utilities. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're here to help. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching!